What is going on, guys? So welcome back. It's a different day. We're gonna try again reinstalling this Blackhorse Offroad bumper guard for the Sienna. I know last time it was a fail because I was missing some bolts from the kit, but after a few weeks I sourced them out finally, and let's go ahead and try this on or try this out again. Let's see how it goes. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so today we are going to be doing the install. I'm not going to go through step by step, I don't think so, because I want to really concentrate on this and make this right, or else my time is very limited, so or else I'm going to mess something up. So the thing about this is I found something on eTrailer.com, I believe, and they have a really nice PDF that I'm going to link. It's for a tow hitch install, and it's the install process very similar. I'm going to go ahead and base my install off of that because it's very similar to the Blackhorse Offroad. This is the only instruction that it came with. It's very limited, it has a 3D print of everything, but no step-by-step. So that's a con about going for this system. Hopefully this video in the end helps you guys, gives an idea. But for the most part, I don't think I'm going to do a step-by-step. But I have all the tools right here. What I finally have is the thing that I was missing, and that was the bolts, the 19mm bolts that I needed to go ahead and secure everything. That did not come with the original kit. So here it is. It's from Dorman. We all know about these, right? Or we're pretty familiar with this brand. So this is a M12 1.25 by 35mm. So we needed this last time, alright, to actually put the bar, secure it over here. So again, we're gonna go ahead and just finish up. Hopefully this will take less than an hour. I am gonna do some filming, right? Maybe a time lapse, but for the most part, I would say I'll link the full install in the description down below, where eTrailer does a really good job at it. So here goes. Wish me luck. So looking down and under, here we have it. There's a couple of bolts I actually forgot from the video which one I had to take off, but there's one right under here. You can see it should be a 10mm bolt, like right there. Right there. There should be a 10mm bolt. First things first, let's reach under here. Yeah, that's a 10mm. Alright, so remove the 10mm bolt from here. I believe you have to take this one off as well, so we are going to take off this plastic rivet. I think it just clicks down into place. I mean, it unlocks by pushing this down like that. You can see the car's already pretty dirty. Alright, this is all the pollen and everything. So this one is already loosening the back portion of it. So we are going to go forward here. Alright, so the other bolt is located over here. Just take your 10mm and loosen it up. Probably easier to have a power tool, but due to the clearance, that's the other 10 right here. Oops. And based on this, what else do we have to remove? I think this one right here. This one holds the thing in place. Pretty easy to come off, right there. So this one comes out. What else do I need? Let's do a wide angle. What else is holding in place? I believe it's this one. Alright, so let's take off this one. Alright, this one comes off just like that. And then is there one more? Oh, this one right here. I believe this one right here is holding everything together, right? So just remember, because it's also part of the mud flat, like so. So we are going to, all right, so 1, 2, 3. All these just keep into place, and let's see if I can film this being removed. All right, so is this gonna come off without any problems? It should. So make sure everything is good. On this note, slide it over, I think, just like that. Oh, there seems to be another. Oh no, I think it's coming off. It's coming off. Just like that. Alright, so I think this is optional if you want to put it back in. Or else you need to trim it. Alright, so we have 3 10mm bolts right here. And we have a couple of these rivets. And that should be the under shielding of this. Alright, and it goes in like that. So we are going to put this away. Alright, again, we're going from right side up to under the carriage. And here we have the 3 M12 locations for the bolts. This plastic housing kept everything pretty clean under here. So here we have this one. I believe this, actually, I think we're dealing with these 2 right here, not this one. All right, so we are going to see if I could just unscrew it like that, counterclockwise. Or can you just take them off? I don't think it unscrews. I guess that's it. Can you see it? Right? And then here, it kept everything nice and clean, away from debris. So we're gonna take this off, and then we're gonna do the bracket here first, and on the other side. So let us go ahead and do so. All right, so we have the T7 bracket installed, ready for use right here. Then you have the M12 bolts. Yeah, M12 bolts. T7 goes up like that. Much better leverage. This is good. Alright guys, so I don't think we have enough time to put everything back. That's what I get for trying to film. It's about to rain. So this project will be on standby until another day. So I'm trying to get just a nice fitment. It's crazy how quickly it becomes overcast and then storms. I just want to do a quick test fitment, see if everything work again. I'll have to maybe show, maybe I'll do a quick B-roll. Whoop, nope, rain is coming. Rain is coming. It's raining. All right, so this is how I placed everything. I think this is the right orientation. I'll have to go ahead and take a look again, but I'm gonna put on this bar right here just to get a quick fitment. See if everything's good, but I definitely have to go ahead and finish up tomorrow. The benefit of having a minivan is the fact that this gets to stay inside for another day without packing up everything. All right, let's put this away, put that away, put this away, put my camera away. It's raining. All right guys, so I worked into the night, had to find some time, and here it is. I gotta say, I'm pretty disappointed. I'll get a better picture in the morning, but this is the clearance in the back. This is a rough draft, but this is the highest I could get it. Now, from here, it just looks like a tow hitch. Like, it's not gonna protect the bumper, or at least I don't think so. I need the double-decker one, the one that I saw on the street. This one is not really gonna protect anything, I think. I'm gonna play around with it, see how it's gonna work out, but for now, here it is, clearance-wise. Right, and then I'm gonna kind of fall back a little bit. Give you guys a look. Can't really see it. I hope it doesn't mess with the sensors, like it doesn't set off the backup sensors, but it swings right around. I mean, it matches with the car and everything. But I gotta see how compared to, like, let's say there's an SUV right there. It's not gonna protect anything, right? But that is it. I'll see how it's gonna look. I will take a few pictures and decide whether or not I'm gonna part ways with it or keep it. It's not heavy, so I don't think it's gonna affect the miles per gallon as much. It probably will, but not by that much. But in terms of protection, there are the sensors right there. It's advertised to not set off the sensors, but I don't know. Doesn't seem like it's gonna protect much. And here it is under, right? So we'll see.